So here's part 4 on how to promote multiple products using affiliate or digital marketing. And I'm going to show you a free platform called Linktree. So you're going to go into a website called Linktree, and basically you're going to start by just putting in your name. Once you put in your name and go through the steps of creating an account, you're going to get into a page that looks like this. Here you're going to go to Add Link, and there it's going to ask you for the URL. So in part 3, you saw how I got the link for this product using Amazon as an example. And so here we're going to go ahead and right-click this link here. And then we're going to come back right in here to our Linktree. We're going to right-click, paste it right in here. We'll go ahead and add it. And then we're going to go ahead and click the edit button, the edit stick there, and type in what the product is. It's running shoes. Okay? And so then that becomes your first product that you promote. To the side over here, you'll see that you've just created your first product on your Linktree. Now, all these products do not all have to be from the same company. You can be an affiliate for 100 different companies. As long as you're able to put the link here, that's not a problem. So to add another product, you would just go to Add Link. Just using Amazon as an example, I'm going to go back to Amazon, and I'm going to choose another product. And since we're in the theme of running, I'm going to put in running shorts. So now these running shorts come up. I'm going to choose that one there. Text, I'm going to go ahead and right-click copy on that, go back to my Linktree, go ahead and paste it there, and then I'm going to go ahead and add it. Okay. Again, I'm going to go ahead and click this edit stick and type in running shorts. You can see now I have 2 products, and you can go on and on and on. In fact, with the free version, now this is a free version right here, you can put unlimited links, but you really don't want to do that. Okay, and so once you have your products here, you can also change the appearance of this. Let's come here to appearance, and this is where you have the ability to edit anything you want. You can change the images there by clicking image, pick an image. You can add one from your computer. If you scroll down, you can also change the text and description to let your audience know what you're promoting. And here is where you have the different kinds of appearances that you can choose from. If I want to choose something like this, I can just point and click on it, and it changes it up right there. Now that you have your Linktree here and it's done, now you share this tree. You'd come up to share, and right here, this is where the link is, and this is what you would put on your social media platform. Just like this lady did right here, she put her Linktree on her account, so when someone clicks on this link, they'll be taken to her Linktree that looks like that. Now you know how this type of platform is created. There are other similar platforms that allow you to promote multiple products at the same time, like StanStore, PenSite, Koji, BioLink. There's different types, but I found Linktree to be the most beginner-friendly one. So in the next part, I'm going to show you the numbers of how much you can actually make with affiliate/digital marketing.